Today let's look at a simple conditional formatting example. Conditional formatting in Google Sheets just means that depending on the content of a cell, the format changes. So let's look at this bottom row, just some of the simpler conditional formatting examples. So under Format, Conditional Formatting, you can see, so I've selected, if I select these cells, you can see that's what I've selected here. So I have, if the text contains good for the range B17 to E17, that's B17 to E17, then turn it green. And if the text contains bad, turn it red. So this is one of the simpler versions where you just apply the formatting to the one cell. But for the entire range, as you can see, text contains bad, turn it red. And then good. So super simple, right? There's really nothing to it. It's format, conditional formatting. You can then select whatever range you want to apply it to. You can add rules. You can change the range here, make it B to D. You can make it if the number is greater or less than something. And you can do lots of other versions also. So it's a super cool way to draw your attention to things or use for checks, because then you know this is a good column, this one's bad, there's something wrong with it. It's a really powerful tool for things like that, for calling your attention to various things in a sheet.